Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a slider to your Squarespace website. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on link. When you will do it, you will get on a site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is sliders. So let's go to top right to sign up for free. Now you want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, it's up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, when you're going to be in applications, you just want to write in search slider. And then you see here slider. Let's create a widget. And you can really choose which slider you want. Products or store offers or gym gallery. Just choose which one you want. Let's continue with the template. Now what you want to do is just simply edit the slides here. And you can edit also the button, the content, where it's going to link on when someone is going to click on a button, and change the image and the video. Let's click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. So let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is you simply click plus, add a code, and paste the code here, apply. Let's go down and save. And voila, here we got a slider in our website. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.